So we're making coconut waffles that are light and crispy. I'm gonna start off by beating this egg, and then we're gonna add the other ingredients. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 cup of melted butter. We have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is really gonna help make the waffles crispy, light, and airy. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll give it a mix, mix, mix. And then we're gonna add in 1 cup of coconut milk. Give it another mix. It'll appear kind of like cake batter, and it's totally okay if it's still lumpy. All right, our batter is nice and thick. Don't worry if there's a bunch of lumps in there. It's gonna cook off in the waffle iron. Speaking of which, I'm going to heat it up right now. Our waffle maker is ready. Steaming hot. It's cold in here. So now I'm just gonna take our batter and I'll pour maybe 3/4 of the way through, spread it out, and then I'll close it. It's gonna continue to fill the rest of the waffle maker as it cooks. It's done! Piping hot. Ooh, nice and crispy. For our toppings, I'm gonna go with a little bit of a tropical theme because it's coconut. I think it'll pair really well with pineapples, diced pineapples, strawberries, and bananas. Add a drizzle of maple syrup, a sugar bath if you will. It's light, airy, crispy. I really taste the coconut and it pairs so well with the strawberries, pineapples, and bananas. Make this for your mom, she's gonna love it. Or make it for yourself, you'll love it too.